abu cambani mooska ma kaa gadaa
waxaan ilka dhaadheer la fiiri hay cambaaysi
ilkeyga wax ka sheegta miyaa waxa kaa gadaa malaa bax
waa kaa tagay ilka dhaadheer yahay
na ilka dambe dhaadheer laguma caynaayo soo bax isbitaalka ku geeyey.
Welcome to Abu Hanifa Dental Clinic. Here we offer filling services, braces, we do root canal, we do dentures, anything restorative dentistry, and even extraction. You will be comfortable. We are currently doing an offer where braces for the first 4 months we will do it for free for change when it comes to changing your reviews. And don't be scared, we are here doing your sterilization well. We autoclave every single day after every patient, so no infection in our facility. You are all welcome, and let us enjoy together.